What's up, guys? It's Dope Baby here.
And Amaya Saber.
And this is Ratchet Appreciation Week.
Part two.
So, today we have some very special people here again.
Yeah, and first off, we're gonna do oh my gosh, she is so ratchet.
Really, like...
She ratchet.
Yes,
we're gonna do her. Now give it up.
Pay turn. Everybody hates Chris. Alright. Let's give her a few words. Okay.
Hey guys, I'm Paige Hurd, and I just thank everyone for nominating me to be first this week, and I really appreciate it, and it is like an honor, and so thank you. Yes, I'm very ratchet, and I understand that, and yes, and I would really, and I'm so happy. Okay, bye.
Knock you around a few times.
Okay,
that was Paige Hurd. Now next we have the Ratchet. Woo! The Ratchetest. Welcome, Imani Hakeem. Everybody hates Imani.
hi y'all, I'm Imani Hakeem. Hey guys, I'm Imani Hakeem, and yeah, and I am like so happy to be nominated this year.
I bet you're wondering why I have two different rates. Well, we don't care.
Yeah, I bet you're wondering why I have two different
and why
ponytail thingies like that, and because, well, I lost one the other day at a friend's house, and I just found it again. So yeah, that's an honor. Yeah, but anyway, I'm so happy that I got this chance, and this is like an honor. So thank you.
Okay, so that was Imani Hakeem.
Yeah, that was Imani.
Okay, so the next is, woo, she's so ratchet.
She ratchet.
It's Keke Palmer. Give it up for Keke.
Go Kiki. That's my baby.
Hey guys. Let's give her a few words.
Hey y'all, I'm who am I again? Who am I? Who am I? Oh yeah, I'm Keke Palmer, and I would like to say a few words. I am just so happy that you guys nominated me for this week's third place. Okay, I am so happy that you guys nominated me to be. I am so happy you guys.
Okay.
Hey guys, we just had to have a
okay, next is Ratchet Carter.
Yeah, give it up for Reggie.
Man, my baby.
If I don't do it, I'm a
Wow.
That's my baby. Yeah, Weezy.
Hi guys, my name is Ratchet. My name is Ratchet, and I like I'm Lil Wayne's daughter. That's why I think I'm the stuff. You see, I'm imitating him on this show, and I'm just so happy that I got 4th place.
Thank you. Oh my god! Did your weave just fly like Bodges?
But anyway, yeah, thank you.